Hey guys, this is Mumni here and welcome back to another video of Random Finds, and let's start. Okay, so this time I bought a lot of items again. So first of all, I'm gonna start with these headphones, and you guys have asking me all over my Instagram feed about these headphones. So yeah, okay, so first this is from Noise and I got this from Amazon. I got this in 1699 rupees, but right now the price is 1549. अभी price थोड़ा सस्ता है, so yeah. और the sound quality is pretty fine, not that bad, not that good, but the quality is not sturdy enough, so you have to be very केयरफुल. ये कभी भी टूट सकता है, ऐसा क्वालिटी है इसका. एंड पहले मेरे पास बोट वाला भी था, उसका क्वालिटी वॉज वेरी गुड. उसका जो साउंड क्वालिटी था देर वॉज ऑल्सो रियली गुड. प्राइस ऑल्सो वॉज अ लॉट मोर चीपर. वो समय ऑफर में था, सो आई गॉट इट इन 999 rupees. But right now I don't know the price, but you can definitely go for the bot wala also. Shade is calm white and the brand is Noise, and the model name is Noise 2. So the next item I got is this. It's like a must for a content creator, so if any fellow content creator is out right there, you can definitely go for it. And the price is 235 rupees. I don't know if that's like good enough for this. Maybe और भी सस्ते price पे मिल जाएगा, but for me it's fine because the quality is really good. It's pura glass, so you have to be very careful. Or तो overall a good one, and don't worry, the link will be provided below on the description box. So yeah. और इसका क्वांटिटी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. इट्स वेरी लार्ज. लेट मी हैव सम कॉफ़ी. Okay, so this is the next item that I got from Amazon. The price is 473 rupees, or I think it's pretty good because ये तो ना पूरा ऐसे ceramic है और इसका जो final touch है it's glossy. Comes in a set of 2, so for a set of 2, 473 rupees is really good. इसका size is also very big, so yeah, good for coffee lovers or maybe chai lovers जो बहुत ज़्यादा चाय पीते हैं. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद because I'm a coffee lover. I drink almost like 6 to 7 times in a day. For me though, it's a must. The next item that I got is this sunscreen. This is from the brand called Pure Origin, and I swear you guys will love this sunscreen if you have oily skin. Summer भी आ रहा है, so yeah, summer के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये sunscreen. I know that sticky greasy feeling after applying on sunscreen, but you don't have to worry anymore about that because after experimenting with so many sunscreen, I finally came across with Korean vitamin C sunscreen with ultra lightweight texture. We need to talk about the basics of sunscreen because using the right one makes all the difference. Right sunscreen protects you from premature aging and protects your skin from damage and dark spots, which is why I use Korean Vitamin C Bright Boosting Light Gel Sunscreen. It is non-oily and leaves no white cast. With SPF 50 PA++++, this sunscreen shields your skin from harmful UV rays all day long. Its light gel formula absorbs instantly, making it perfect for all skin tones. Vitamin C fights free radicals and helps fade dark spots over time. It moisturizes like a cream but feels weightless, ideal for daily wear. Now you can get the Pure Origin Korean Vitamin C products for yourself at 20% off on Amazon. And the next item that I got from Amazon is they're all bed sheets actually. I mean, some are from Amazon and some are from Myntra. Okay, first of all, bedsheet को तो नहीं दिखाऊंगी, बस pillow cover को दिखा दूंगी because this pillow cover comes along with the bedsheet. This is the first bedsheet set. Comes with 2 sets of pillow cover, and see the print. This is so pretty. If somebody asks my personal choice, मेरा personal choice ऐसा होगा. I really love this kind of prints. The print is so soft and so dreamy. It gives this cottagecore vibes as well. So if you are a soft girly or if you are a girl who likes very light shades, I think this is the perfect bed sheet. I got this in queen size and it has got 2 sets of pillow cover, and this is from the brand called JC bed sheet, if you guys know about it. And I got this from Myntra, and I got this in wait, let me check. I got this in 849 rupees, which is pretty good because the quality is also really good. Cotton type का material है, so I really love that. Not exactly cotton but almost cotton, yeah. So मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. And the best thing I liked about this bedsheet is the print. The print is so pretty. The color is so soft. It's not exactly white but somehow between beige and yellow. But right now the price is 1699. Like it's back to its original price. But आप इसको अपने cart में रख सकते हो. Whenever the price decreases, you can definitely go for it. It's not worth 1699 though, but it's worth 800. Yeah, if you guys are getting me. So the next item that I got is again a bed sheet, but this one is from Amazon. और इसका भी मैं ना सिर्फ पिलो कवर दिखाऊंगी because बेड शीट जो बहुत बड़ा है. I got a double size bed sheet and इसमें 2 sets of pillow cover है. The pillow cover doesn't have any chain or something. और उसके बाद I really love the shade. इसका shade is minty shade, bluish minty shade, and the quality is really good, and the brand is claiming that it has like it's made from 100% cotton. Feeling तो मुझे cotton ही आ रहा है, so I think this is really good, the perfect bed sheet for summer. And अगर फिर से अगर you are a Pinteresty girl, you can definitely go for it. It really elevates the room, and I got this in 999 rupees, और इसका original price भी 999 rupees है, and it's worth the price, so you can definitely go for it. And now let's move on to the next item. So the next item, it's not like a bed sheet, it's just pillow covers. I got separate pillow covers as well, and this one is the first pillow cover, and इसका भी gingham print है. First of all, this is from a brand called Airwill. Never heard of it. Comes in pack of 2. It has got 2, just the pillow cover I mean, and इसका प्राइस है 296 rupees, which is pretty fine. नहीं तब तो इसका मतलब एक का 150, around 150 आप काउंट कर सकते हो. So yeah, it's pretty fine for a pillow cover, and the quality is really good, and even this brand is claiming that it's 100% cotton, और मुझे ये भी cotton ही लग रहा है. इसका ना मैंने इसे बहुत बार यूज कर चुका है. I think I've used it like more than 10 times, and even this bed sheet I've used this more than 20 times I guess, because और मैंने इसे बहुत बार धुलाया भी है, but still इसका कलर ऐसे ही है. The color also doesn't fade away easily, and this one I've used this only once, but अभी से इसका ना बहुत पुराना वाला कुछ हो रहा है. So that's the reason I said it's not worth the price, but इसका तो it's worth the price because इसको मैंने इतने साल से यूज किया है, but still इसका इतना अच्छा है. Like I got this last year February or something, yeah. So उसके हिसाब से तो बहुत अच्छा है, अभी तक भी इतना नया है. And this one also I got it last year. That one also bubbles नहीं निकला, इसका भी bubbles नहीं निकला, but the first one उसका already almost bubbles are coming out. So yeah, definitely a go. This is 296 rupees, and it's really thick. The quality is also really thick, and this is perfect for summer as well again, and I think this is good enough for winter also. So the next pillow cover, मैंने ना अपना पिलो को उठा के लाया है यहाँ पे. So this is the next pillow cover that I got, and look at the color. This is so pretty, and this is giving so expensive. The color feels like it's very expensive. I really love the color. The price is 198 rupees. I actually ordered in grey color, but उन्होंने मुझे navy blue color भेज दिया. But ये color भी बहुत pretty है, इसलिए मैंने return ही नहीं किया. I really love this color also. So yeah, definitely a go. But about the quality again, इसका तो bubbles नहीं निकलेगा. Even this one I have been using for quite some time, maybe like few months. And quality wise अच्छा ही है according to the price. 198 rupees, and you're getting set of 2, but इसका quality is not cotton, it has this synthetic quality, and ये ना बहुत जल्दी वो हो जाएगा, फट जाएगा, because the quality is really thin, it's not thick at all, but it's good. It's pretty, and it's pretty comfortable also, and it's really light. वो जो previous वाला gingham वाला था, that is heavy. So the next item is again a pillow cover set, and this is the color, and this one is all, I don't know, I have this thing with beige color. I really love beige color, मुझे beige color बहुत पसंद है. Most of my clothes, my things, everything is beige, as you can see, even the curtains are beige. So I really love beige color, so that's why ये तो मस्त था मेरे लिए. beige color में भी मुझे चाहिए ही था. This is from the same store, yeah, from the same brand or store, whatever, and इसका भी सेम है, क्वालिटी एवरीथिंग इज सेम, एंड द प्राइस इज ऑल्सो 198 rupees. इट्स प्रीटी गुड अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्राइस. Yeah, that's it. The next item I got from Amazon is bed sheet. I got lots of bed sheet, and actually मैंने इसे ना बहुत पहले ले लिया था ये. Most of the things I got it like last year or last year, but since it's still available, that's the reason I'm reviewing it. And ये है वो bed sheet, and ये भी बहुत सुंदर है. The color is really pretty. I actually ordered it in taupe shade. It almost looks like beige, like a darker version of beige. Yeah, मैंने वो कलर में ऑर्डर किया था, but it came in this peachy color. But ये कलर भी अच्छा है, and this one is also like pure cotton. It's from the same brand जहाँ से मैंने वो blue mint वाला लिया था. It's called House and Kinder. एंड या मैंने सेम ब्रांड से लिया, एंड एज द ब्रांड क्लेम्स 100% कॉटन. मुझे तो लगता है ये 100% कॉटन ही है, बिकॉज मैंने इसे 2 साल से यूज किया है, एंड अभी तक भी इसमें बबल्स नहीं है. एज यू कैन सी, आपको दिख के भी लग रहा होगा कि मतलब थोड़ा पुराना हो गया है, बट या बिकॉज मैंने इसे बहुत बार धुलाया है, उसके बाद भी इसका अभी तक भी बबल्स नहीं निकला. सो डेफिनेटली अ गो 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 गो. और इसका प्राइस आई गॉट दिस इन किंग साइज एंड इसका प्राइस 1549 है, बट आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ द प्राइस बिकॉज एज आई हैव सेड आई हैव यूज दिस फॉर 2 years एंड अभी भी इसका ऐसा ही है. सो आई रियली लव्ड इट. दिस कम्स विद सेट ऑफ 2 पिलो कवर्स एज वेल अगेन. और ये ना बहुत हल्का भी है, इट्स वेरी लाइट एज वेल. दिस इज द परफेक्ट बेडशीट फॉर समर. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आइटम. सो द नेक्स्ट आइटम आई गॉट इज दिस, if you guys can see. This is a duvet cover, blanket cover, and the quality is really good. Again, I got this last year. कुछ छू के पता चल जाता है, it's not 100% cotton, and इसका print is really Pinteresty though, and it gives this very clean effect. Your room looks more clean. एंड इसका अंदर में जो ब्लैंकेट है मैंने उसे भी अमेजोन से लिया था. इट्स अ क्विल्टेड ब्लैंकेट एज यू कैन सी. दिस इज द पिक्चर. और दिस वन इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड. इट्स रियली प्रिटी एंड रियली लाइट एंड वार्म. ये तो मेरा ना विंटर में भी चल गया ये ब्लैंकेट. एंड मैंने इसे ना क्वीन साइज में ऑर्डर किया है आई थिंक. Okay, first of all about this cover. Okay, so the cover it cost me 1099 rupees और अभी भी प्राइस एग्जैक्ट वैसा ही है. So you can definitely go for it. इसका चेन भी है जैसे डुएट कवर होता है वैसा ही है ये जो. The quality is really good. You can definitely go for it and perfect for summer also and for winter also. Summer में तो ब्लैंकेट का ही ज़रूरत नहीं होता, but still अगर आपको ज़रूरत होगा तो you can go for it. And now let's move on to the blanket. It's actually a quilted blanket. I expected this color, but it didn't arrive like this. It's like way more peachy in real. I wanted this powdery effect wala peachy because this is really aesthetic and really pretty, but ऐसा नहीं आया, बहुत peachy आया. So yeah, सिर्फ वही है एक minus point, and apart from that everything is fine. Like really everything is fine. It's light, it's warm, and the size is also very big. My throat is very dry, that's why I'm kind of struggling to talk right now. And overall, yeah, this one is also good. Price I went for is double and the price is 264 rupees right now. अभी ब्लैंकेट का सीजन खत्म होने वाला है, but for the places जहाँ पर अभी भी बहुत ठंड है वहाँ पर yeah, you can go for this blanket if you want. Okay guys, this is the last bed sheet that I got, and this is the pillow cover actually, and the quality is really good. I haven't used it yet, so अभी भी बहुत नया है ये जो. The pillow cover doesn't have any chain. ऐसे खुला खुला है एंड जितना भी पिलो कवर्स था सबका ऐसा ही है. इट हैज दिस ब्लू ग्रेइश प्रिंट. इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली ब्लू, नॉट एग्जैक्टली ग्रे, इन बिटवीन, वेरी पाउडरी ब्लू प्रिंट. या एंड आई रियली लव द प्रिंट. आई लव दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रिंट्स. और उसके बाद में आई थिंक दिस वन इज ऑल्सो गना लुक वेरी एस्थेटिक. यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट, बट द क्वालिटी इज अ बिट सिंथेटिक टाइप का. इट्स नॉट प्योर कॉटन, थोड़ा सा गर्म लगेगा. इट्स दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वालिटी विच डजंट सोक योर स्वेट. या दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वालिटी, बट ओवरऑल फाइन. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम द सेम ब्रांड कॉल जेसी होम. जो मैंने फर्स्ट वाला बेडशीट रिव्यू किया था वही सेम ब्रांड है. आई थिंक बैक व्हेन आई गॉट दिस इट वाज लाइक इन ऑफर, सो एट दैट टाइम आई गॉट इट इन 1449 rupees, but right now the price is 2899 rupees and it's not worth the price. So अगर प्राइस यही रहेगा तो don't go for it, but अगर प्राइस कम होता है like around 1500 to 1400 तो you can go for it. This is the bed sheet और इसका जो है ये ऐसे है. See, it's not direct वो flowy वाला, but it has got this rubber at the bottom of the bed sheet. So आपको इसे ना अपने mattress के अंदर में ऐसे fold करके लगाना है. So the next item that I got are these curtains. Okay, the white one, it's like I got it offline, so iska to koi link nahi hai, but this one I got it online, and these curtains are from Amazon. The quality is really good. The material is like silk type ka material. It's really soft. This is the size I went for, and the color I went for is beige, and it comes in a pack of 2 and the price is 1197, which is actually really good. Yeah, because if I say it according to the price and you are getting 2 curtains, so 2 curtains mein 1197 is really good, and quality is worth the price. It's actually really sunny outside, but the sun thoda bhi pass nahi ho raha hai because it's light proof. If you guys can see it's really sunny outside actually, but because of this the light doesn't pass through directly, rather it gives this very warm effect which is really pretty. And I think that's it for my video. I have a lot of things, but I think it will be too long if I talk about it, so I'll talk about it on my next video again. So thank you for watching my video till the end. I hope you guys liked my video. Bye.